Good morning. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. So, let's start with our English Bal Bharti textbook class 5. Now, today we are going to learn a very interesting story from Unit 3, the chapter name 18, Weeds in the Garden. This story teaches us a very important lesson. Let's see what is this. Now, the name of this lesson is that weeds in the garden. Now, what do you mean by weeds? So, the weed means a wild plant growing where it is not wanted in most cases. Garden weeds grow from seed that has been transported by birds and insect. Unwanted plant, that is the weeds. Okay. Let's see the interesting story of chapter number 18, Weeds in the Garden. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. And when even a scolding has no effect, the parents became very unhappy. Such was the case with the Anshuman and his parents. So here is the story of Anshuman and his parents. So here in this passage we come to know generally every parents are doing hard work for their children. They doing lot of hard work for their children. They want to fulfill their child's each and every wish. When they can't fulfill their children wish, they feel sorry about it. In this paragraph here, the character, what is the character here? Anshuman, and he had adopted bad habits in his own. So here indulge means let some do what they want even if it is not good for them. So here Anshuman adopted some bad habits and his parents was worry about it. So they are unhappy for Anshuman's bad habits. Let's see next. Anshuman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Gentle words, strict warning, a scolding now and then. His parents tried to everything short of beating him up, and that they would never do. However unhappy they themselves were, they wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's way. Now, here, Anshuman's parents notice what they notice. Anshuman's developing some bad habits. So, they warn him as they notice that their son adopted some bad habits, developing some bad habits. So, naturally, every parents give notice or warn their children. Same like this way, Anshuman parents also warn Anshuman about their bad habits. Sometimes they give warning to Anshuman, but sometimes they told him and scold him except beating him. They try everything and they were unhappy with his bad habits. But what happened there? Anshuman always refused to believe it. But what he couldn't believe that he has developing a bad habits. So His parents are very unhappy with his behavior, and every parents want to teach good things, good habits to their kids. Like same way Anshuman's parents also want to teach Anshuman a good things, a good habits, but Anshuman always refused it. He always neglected all the things and all the notification which is given by his parents. So here Anshuman's parents also tried to teach him good habits, but it could not affect on Anshuman's behavior. So her parents very worry about it, how they have to correct their son. Next one. Soon an opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was described specialities of various plants, vines and bushes and trees too. Anshuman suddenly he stopped and pointed at a small seedling near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Now, so here Anshuman and his parents gone to stay at his grandfather farm. In the grandfather farm, the father took him to walk on the farm. Here father asked to the Anshuman for a round walk around in the farm, and the father tell him about each and every plant. The father give information about each and every plant and their specialities also. Suddenly father stopped at the one place near the farm where there was a small seedling growing near a plant, and said the Anshuman, can you pull it out? Pull it out, you have to take it out, the small one seedling which one grown up into the soil. See the next one. Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all the small seedlings out. Good, said the father, and they continue with their walk. After a while, they come upon the same weed, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Otherwise, the weed can grow again, he warned. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. Now here what happened? First father told him to pull it out a small plant. After some distance they reached into the farm. That time now here Anshuman easily pull out the small seedling. Father said good, and they still continue with their walk. After some time they came near the same weed, but it is bigger than the first plant. It is more bigger than the first plant, than the previous plant. Now father again told to the Anshuman, can you pull it out, this plant too? Can you pull it, this plant too? First you have to pull it easily, but now this plant you can pull it out. You have to take out this plant also. Now, but you have to be careful. Now father warned to the Anshuman, what? Now you have to be careful about that. No trace, not a single trace of the root left in the soil. Not a single root left into the soil. When you pull it out, that time you have to be careful about what? not a single root left out into the soil. Why? Because the weed can grow again if the single root left inside in the soil. What the father want to the Anshuman? If the single root can left inside the soil, the weed grown up again. The weed can grow again, so you have to pull out the weed with carefully. You have to pull out all each and every root carefully. Okay, now see the next one. See the next one. Now here the Anshuman once again uprooted the plant carefully and the all weed came out properly. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. There it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. That could be quite dangerous. We must not leave it growing there. Take it out, said Anshuman's father. Anshuman held the plant in his hand and gave it a tug. The weed didn't move at all. He pulled harder and harder, but to all no avail. I can't get this out, exclaimed Anshuman. It has gone too deep into the soil. So then the father brought some implements. They dug around the weed and with great efforts pulled it out. Now, when they saw the big plant again, father told him, pull it out this weed also. Now it is very big plant into a big plant with a small flowers and fruit also grown up on that plant. Now this plant is very big. It is very difficult to pull it out this weed. If we left the root into the soil, now again carefully pull it out. The father warned to the Anshuman. Again they go into the some distance. Then the father again told to the Anshuman to pull out the weed and start the pulling it out. And father warned to the Anshuman that did not left any single root into the soil. You have to all pull it out carefully. Anshuman hold the plant in his hand and after that to pull it out, but now the plant not move anywhere. It is a very big plant, so he can't move anywhere the plant. It's a very hard to pull it out because it is very big plant and its root also go into the deep in the soil. And finally Anshuman said to his father that he can't pull it out because its root gone to the deep into the soil. So then his father brought some implement to pull out the weed from the soil. After they took a lot of efforts, they have to do lot of hard work to pull out the weed, means pull out the bigger one plant from the farm. So here the father took some implements. With the help of implements they can success to pull out the bigger one weed from the farm. See the next one. See the next one. When they were returning home after the hard work, Anshuman's father mentioned habits are like weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it to be uproot them. It is wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Anshuman realized the truth in his father's words throughout his life. He never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father. When they did the hard work and they returned home, Anshuman's father told him he tried to explain him with the help of weeds that habits are like weeds. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them at the proper time. It is difficult to remove the bad habits. You don't know which is the good and which is the bad habit. It is the very simple thing that Anshuman father tried to explain to the Anshuman. What that is, habits are like weeds. When we grown up the bad habits, so it is not easy to remove all the bad habits. So better way, we have to remove the bad habits at the proper time. So here it is the difficult to remove the bad habits, and you didn't know which is the good and which is the bad habits. Then Anshuman also realized the truth in his father's word. Anshuman come to know, he also understood what his father tried to tell him, that he never forget it. It means throughout his life he always remember what his father taught to him early morning walk. Okay, so my dear children, you have to also develop the good habits in you. If you are developing the bad habits at the proper time, you have to remove all the bad habits and follow the instruction of your parents. Your parents always tell you the good things. You have to always follow it. That is the good for you and your future also. I hope do you understood what the Anshuman's fathers tried to tell him, and what is your parents also try to tell you daily. Okay. Thank you.